Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bet on concerts on Betway. First, open the Betway app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on sports and select soccer or football. Now choose the match you want to bet. Click on the match and it will open the betting option. Now look for the section called concert or concert market or sometimes special. Over 8.5 concerts, under 10.5 concerts. Another option is team corners. This means betting on how many corners one team will get during the match. You may also see first half corners where you bet on corners that happens only in the first half. Simply tap on the corners option you like and it will appear in the bet list. Double check before you place the bet. After your bet is successful, you will see a confirmation message and just wait for match to count the corners. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.